How to cancel TV license online in the UK. The first step is to go to a web browser, then type in the URL of tvl.co.uk/no TV. There you will see this web page where you want to answer the questions for your personal situation. For me, do you already have a license? No. And have you previously told us you don't need a license? Yes. That might differ for you. Then at the top right hand corner of the letter you might have received that says you need to declare if you need a TV license or not, there'll be a number at the top right. You want to type that in. You don't need to though, but once you've done that, you'll get 6 questions. The top 4 will be no, and the bottom 2 will be yes. They've been a bit sneaky of how they've answered the questions, but if you know you've not watched any TV at all, you've looked at all those questions, that's how you want to answer it. Otherwise, they will say you need to buy a TV license. So, of course, be honest with that. Then you want to click on the link where it says don't have a TV license, declare no license needed. You click on that link there. Then you'll need to input your personal information. Of course, I'm not going to show that on screen, but once you've typed that all in that section there, then you'll need to go through and tick all of these boxes right here. Then once you've ticked them all, you'll be able to see a link that says on the bottom part here, once I've ticked the final box, it says something similar to I have no plans at the moment when asking if you want to have potentially a TV license in the future. They've made it very laborious to go through and do things like that. But once you've clicked that, then clicked on continue, then that will take you to essentially the final step where you'll need to tick the box where you understand, saying that I might need to visit, etc. Kind of scaremongering with the way they've written that message there. But click submit once you've done that. Then you'll see there it says you have made your declaration. You can go ahead and be sure that you've done that. So you can leave a like on the video if this did help you out and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.